Hey guys, and welcome back to Knowledge Hub GPT, where we explore the fascinating intersection of technology and knowledge. Today we're diving into the transformative role of artificial intelligence in the server industry. From optimizing data centers to enhancing security, AI is reshaping how servers operate, improving efficiency, reliability, and sustainability. Let's explore how AI is making waves in the server industry, backed by real-world examples that showcase its impact. Starting off with number 1, data center management and optimization. AI technologies are instrumental in optimizing data center operations. Through predictive analytics and machine learning algorithms, AI can forecast server loads and adjust resources dynamically, leading to more efficient use of energy and reducing operational costs. Google, for instance, has harnessed the power of DeepMind AI to reduce the energy consumption needed for cooling their data centers by an impressive 40%. Number 2, server efficiency and load balancing. AI plays a crucial role in achieving better server efficiency through intelligent load balancing. By analyzing data traffic and predicting peak times, AI can distribute the load evenly across servers, enhancing performance and minimizing downtime. This ensures that no single server is overwhelmed while others are underutilized. Dell's latest PowerEdge servers are engineered with a focus on automation and intelligent management, directly contributing to improved server efficiency. The integrated Dell Remote Access Controller with lifecycle controller technology available in these servers empowers administrators to automate routine management tasks. This automation extends to load balancing, where AI algorithms can dynamically allocate resources based on real-time demand, ensuring optimal performance across the server infrastructure. Number 3, predictive maintenance. AI enables predictive maintenance by continuously monitoring the health of servers and predicting potential failures before they occur. Sensors collect data on server performance and environmental conditions, which AI algorithms analyze to identify potential issues. This proactive approach helps in scheduling maintenance and repairs, thereby reducing downtime and extending the lifespan of hardware. IBM demonstrates AI's prowess in predictive maintenance, employing advanced algorithms to monitor server health and preempt failures. Number 4, security enhancements. AI significantly bolsters server security by detecting and responding to threats in real time. Through machine learning models trained on vast datasets of cybersecurity incidents, AI can identify unusual patterns that may indicate a security breach. This allows for immediate action to be taken to mitigate risks, such as isolating affected systems or blocking malicious traffic. Darktrace's enterprise immune system harnesses machine learning and AI algorithms to detect and respond to cyber threats in real time. It learns the normal pattern of life for every device and user on a network and can spot emerging threats, preventing potentially catastrophic breaches. Number 5, automated customer support and management. AI chatbots and virtual assistants can handle routine customer support queries and server management tasks, freeing up human resources for more complex issues. This not only improves efficiency, but also enhances customer satisfaction by providing instant responses to inquiries. This not only improves efficiency, but also enhances customer satisfaction by providing instant responses. DigitalOcean's AI-driven customer support, including an automated chatbot, illustrates AI's role in enhancing customer service. By swiftly resolving common issues, DigitalOcean enhances user experience, showcasing AI's potential in delivering exceptional customer support. Number 6, enhanced storage solutions. AI technologies are being leveraged to develop smarter storage solutions that can automatically manage data, optimize storage allocation, and ensure data integrity. By learning usage patterns, AI can predict data access needs and optimize storage system for performance and reliability. NetApp leverages AI to optimize data management and storage. Through AI-driven analytics, NetApp's AFF systems dynamically adjust storage resources, demonstrating AI's ability to effectively and efficiently manage data. Number 7. Network optimization. AI is employed to optimize networking within and between data centers. By analyzing traffic patterns and predicting future demands, AI algorithms can optimize routing and bandwidth allocation, improving speed and reducing latency. Nokia's Deep Field software utilizes AI for network optimization, enhancing performance and reducing latency. By analyzing traffic patterns, Nokia showcases AI's capability to optimize network configurations for improved service delivery. Number 8. Customized server solutions. AI-driven analytics enable the creation of more customized server solutions tailored to the specific needs of businesses. By analyzing workloads and application performance, AI can recommend server configurations that optimize performance for individual clients. HPE InfoSight employs AI to recommend server configurations tailored to specific workloads. By analyzing data from thousands of sensors, InfoSight optimizes server performance, illustrating the customizability AI brings to server solutions. And lastly, number 9, energy efficiency. AI contributes to making servers and data centers more energy efficient. By optimizing server workloads and cooling systems, AI can significantly reduce the carbon footprint of data centers, aligning with global sustainability goals. Across its global infrastructure, Microsoft employs AI and machine learning to optimize energy usage. By analyzing data on server loads, cooling needs, and energy supply fluctuations, AI algorithms dynamically adjust cooling systems and power consumption, minimizing waste and improving the power usage effectiveness ratio. Microsoft has pledged to be carbon negative by 2030, and the integration of AI in enhancing data center energy efficiency is a key part of this ambitious sustainability strategy. AI is not just a tool, but a transformative force in the server industry, driving innovations that enhance efficiency, security, and sustainability. These real-world examples underscore AI's vast potential and its pivotal role in shaping the future of server technology and data center management. As AI continues to evolve, we can anticipate even greater advancements, further revolutionizing this critical sector. Thank you for joining us on Knowledge Hub GPT. For more insights into how technology is reshaping our world, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. And we'll see you in the next video.